Hey guys, so today we'll be making Jamaican festival. What you will need is a festival mix. You can get this from any grocery store near you. The one I'll be using today is Helsha Festival Mix and it requires 7 fluid ounces of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that and try to get the mixture to a soft dough. Then we're gonna cover it and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and break it into small pieces, stretch them. Then we're gonna add it to oil and allow it to cook on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. Then your festival mix is now festivals and ready to be eaten. This can be served with a side of jerk chicken or whatever um you choose to have it with. But today we'll be having it with jerk chicken. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried this recipe and how did you like it.